Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Dark Academia water marble. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco's Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my base color today, I'm going to be using Headhunter, and then for the water marble, I'll be using that as well as Ivy League and Secret Society. Once I have my base color applied, I'll be protecting around my nails with liquid latex as well as tape. As usual for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once the bullseye is complete, I'm going to go ahead and draw from the center out to two sides, and then I'm going to draw in some chevrons. Once I've got the design in there, I'm going to go ahead and dip a couple nails at a time. Then I'll be removing the protection and doing the rest of my nails. I actually don't like the way the pinky turned out here. We didn't catch very much of the design. So what I'm actually going to do is add another coat of the green and re-dip it. Better. Don't love the ring finger this time, but we're not going to play this game of dipping 2 fingers and then re-dipping one for the whole manicure. We're not. I'm going to go ahead and clean up any larger areas as well as underneath my nail with a Q-tip dipped in acetone, and then I'm going to use the usual small brush to go in closer. Once I'm done with cleanup, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. I did think all the colors in this collection went together very well, but they didn't all cooperate in the water, and it took me a while to settle on these three that did work together pretty well. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so you can appreciate the different finishes. And if you'd like to see all of that testing as well as the extended tutorial, that's up now over on my VODs channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.